how to wear multiple hairs in Roblox. So if you want to wear multiple hairs in Roblox, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Roblox on your browser and then make sure that you've logged into your account. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need to simply go with the 3 horizontal lines which will be in the bottom or your top left. And once you're here, you need to just simply go and click on avatar. After clicking on avatar, you need to go with head and body. And then you will have hair option, click on hair. And here you will have your hair. Like in my case, I have 2 hairs right here. So if you want to wear multiple hairs, then what you need to do is I'll just simply go and remove 1 hair, just for an example. Like I have this chest bun here, right? Or I'll just simply go and select black ponytail. So I have this hair, and if I want to add straight blonde or chestnut bun, then what you need to do is you need to go with advanced, which will be in the bottom right, and here you will have the asset ID. So in my case, I have the hair ID right here. So you'll be able to add multiple hairs. Like here you will have 10 free spaces. So you need to go with save at first, go and select advanced, copy this one, go with cancel, and now select another hair. Now go with advanced again, and here you need to paste the asset ID that you've just copied, and then go with save, which will be on the bottom, and then again save, and again click on save, and that's it. As you can see that you've selected 2 hairs. You can again add the other one. You need to just simply have the asset ID of this hair and then go with advanced and go and paste the asset ID right here and save. And this way you'll be able to wear multiple hairs in Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.